How's it going, everyone? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So we're doing some motorcycle news today and some racing news at that. That Ducati, the big powerhouse V4 buddy superbike, well, not really, yeah, Ducati in general, has become a official series partner as well as an official manufacturer of the Geico Motorcycle Superbike Speed Fest at Monterey. So basically, Ducati, after 15 years of being away from Moto America, obviously you've got Kyle Wyman and now Loris Baz riding for two different teams. You've got the Warhorse New York SPK Ducati of Loris Baz, and you've got the Panera, who knows, a whole bunch of other sponsors for Kyle Wyman. Ducati is back, sponsoring Moto America, showing that Moto America is obviously being the smaller venue. Like, they are running super bikes, but it's not World SBK, and you know, obviously it's just the American series, so it is smaller. But it's cool to see that Ducati has, you know, one, that Ducati's back, and two, that Moto America is showing that it has enough interest in fan base and viewership and everything else to draw, you know, to draw Ducati back. With this whole list stuff, they're doing a special for the WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca round, which is obviously Laguna Seca. Ducati is offering an exclusive Ducati owner display and activation inside the paddock. I don't know what that means. There's also a special Ducati ticket package in Laguna. That's a 3-day general admissions, blah 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 blah, track walk, and a Ducati branded gift. So that's really cool. I mean, it shows that Moto America is growing, and you know, the fan base is growing, and that Ducati wants to be a part of it and wants to, you know, have their name put on it, which is great for Moto America. I mean, it's showing that you can draw world-class talent in Loris Baz, who's been in or just world-class talent in general, which is what, we're not even going to go into that. They're drawing world-class talent. They're drawing, you know, the attention of big name brand sponsors and companies, and it's cool, especially for Ducati to do something special for a round. That's not just, hey, we're throwing our name in, here's some money, whatever, but for this round we're going to be doing this. That's neat. I think it's cool. I'm very excited. I like Moto America personally, and the Yamahas have been absolutely dominating it for years. So getting world-class talent, again, getting new, or not new brands, but getting more brands in it, getting it more competitive, growing it, it's just, it's good. I mean, even if you look now, you've got people like Cameron Bobier, who's over in Moto 2. You've got Garrett Gerloff, who moved from Moto America to World SBK and is running as a backup rider for Petronas SRT Yamaha in MotoGP. It's all good, you know, bringing world-class talent over, sending American talent to other racing series. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So tell me what you think down below. Do you think this is cool? Do you watch Moto America? If so, who's your favorite rider / favorite brand? Who do you want to win? While you're going down in the comments, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the little notification bell to know when I'm posting more stuff, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.